lovely people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jane. If this is the first time that you are seeing me, thank you so much for stopping by. When you finish watching, consider subscribing. And if you are my return subscriber, from my heart to you, I love you. Thank you, thank you. So today I was looking at one of the newspapers in Nigeria called Daily Times and Vanguard and everybody. They're showing that Nigerian doctors striked again. They went on strike. They went on strike. It's not a new thing because they always do. Teachers do. Everybody. Teachers do because they're not getting paid. They're expected to be in school, but they're not getting paid for months and months and months. Sometimes if not years. Then when you go to school, they don't have supplies for students to learn. They don't have chairs. They don't have, the roof are leaking and everything. Sometimes they strike even though nothing comes out of it. But this one, doctors in Nigeria strike. But them striking is not why I'm making the video. Why I'm making the video is the federal government of Nigeria. They said doctor strikes, and federal government insisted that if they don't work, they won't get paid. Right here. Right here. I'm not making it up. They said no work, no pay. Federal government insisted that the doctors that strike, if they don't work, they don't get paid. But they... Hey, God, please forgive us. The father of the country, the president of the country, is in UK for over 2 weeks now. Say he is going for checkup. He could not put hospital. He couldn't put hospital that will take care of him when he is sick. Every time that he needs checkup, he will go to UK. And the 200 million Nigerians are at home with no doctors, no hospital, no road, no electricity, no nothing. And the doctors striked and said, even the little hospital that we have, we don't have supplies to treat patients. We don't have anything. They don't even have gloves. One time I went home, my mother-in-law was sick. I went home, I took him to the hospital. And the injection that they gave for the woman, injection, they don't even have common alcohol. I cried, I shedded tears. They don't have alcohol. So I looked inside my bag. I have some of these little alcohol pads that you can go to a dollar store here and grab a box. So I have it in my hand. So the woman comes to give my mother-in-law shot, and she just gives the shot without cleaning the place up. And then when she finished, no gloves. They don't have gloves. And when if they have gloves, they use one glove for the whole clinic. For every patient. They don't have a clue of what infection control is. They don't have idea of what infection control is. And as soon as he gives my mother-in-law shot, she uses her hand and go like this, or wipe that small blood that will come out. I said, So this president left doctors, left 200 million and went to UK, park our jet in UK, and they are collecting thousands and thousands of money. It has to be in UK money, in euro or whatever money that they use. It cannot be naira. And then the federal government that left the country to go to UK to get treatment is giving them warning that if you leave, that you will not get paid. It's giving them warning without leaving any, not even gauze, nothing in the little hospital that they have. Because if they have something there, why would the president go to UK to go and check himself? They hate themselves so much. You see, self-love is very, very important. Self-love. When you love yourself so much, nobody can tell you nothing. When you love yourself so much, when somebody sees you, they can tell that you love yourself. Just like me, I love me. Because if you don't love you, you can't show love to the next person. You cannot show love to anybody. This president hates himself so much that he couldn't even build a common hospital to treat himself unless he goes to UK. The UK that he's going, it is some Nigerians that left that useless country to go to another country to better themselves. They are the same people treating him there, calling him SARS. And he is in UK. Every day he's busy calling police for Nigerians that are protesting in front of where he's living. Every day they made it a duty that they will stay in front of where he's staying, that they will never give him peace. And he will call them 20 times. So he knows the importance of the security. He wants to stay in a safety place. And he's leaving 200 million to go to UK and stay there. And he wants us to say, oh, okay, congratulations. Oh, okay, sorry for your ear infection that you didn't have anything to treat in Nigeria. Or sorry for your cough that you didn't have anything to treat in Nigeria. You mean you and your people left Nigeria to go to UK to get treatment. And then you give him warning to the doctors that are taking care of the 200 million that are not getting paid. They don't have supplies. That even when you see them go to the hospital, I don't know. When you go to hospital and see a doctor working as a doctor, you even want to leave because you be like one of the days that I took my mother-in-law, the doctor walked in, and when I saw the doctor, they don't have anything to check my mother-in-law. Every day we are going from this doctor to that doctor. They write you prescription. They don't have name on the prescription of bottle. So when they write you prescription, you get there. They want the people to count the medication for you, and they put it in a Ziploc bag without a name in a pharmacist. So this video is about a government that abandoned the over 200 million Nigerians in Nigeria and then went to UK to get treatment. Then stay over there and give warning that if they leave, that they will not get paid. Yeah, that if they leave, you know what is causing all this problem? Because Nigerian leaders, Nigerian government said that the only qualification that you need to be a president of a whole country is a high school diploma. And a high school diploma of this president cannot be found. They said that's the only qualification you need. So when you don't have a high school diploma, how are you going to value doctors that went to school? How are you going to value teachers that went to school? You cannot value them because you don't know the meaning. If you don't know the meaning of something, you cannot value it. It's like when you go and buy gold chain or whatever it is and give it to somebody that do not value it. They will not value it at all because they don't know. So you cannot expect somebody who has only high school diploma to value people who went to school. It's not done. It's not done. That law needs to be changed. And if you say that you went to school in a University of Maryland, it has to have proof. All you need to do, you call University of Maryland. University of Maryland will send you a transcript that you went to school in University of Maryland. But in Nigeria, they're buying everything. They are buying this and that and that and that and that. Just to be whatever it is that they want to be. So doctors, lawyers, whatever it is, they are suffering in Nigeria. They are really, really suffering in Nigeria, especially the teachers and the doctors. They are suffering the most. I have a lot of teachers in my family and they are suffering. That's how I know about this teacher. My father died. My father passed away without eating his money. They did not pay him his money. They refused to give him his money. And my father put a curse on all of them. My father told them right in front of them in the office and told them, I will not be coming back and forth to come and get the money that I worked so hard for. And all of you that are sitting in my money, all of you will not see your own money. Do you have to go to Sussex to get that one? As an old man, he put it on you guys. He told you guys that all of you that are sitting in his money, that you will not be there to eat the money. And your children will not see your own money either. Since you did not allow him to get his money that he worked so hard for over 60 years. For Nigeria, for federal, local, whatever, he did it. My father did it. And they did not allow him to eat his money. And it was because of presidents like this, who didn't go to school, who did not value school, that did not allow him to get his money that he worked so hard for. So if he didn't have children, or if he didn't have people that can help him, or like his children, the man would have suffered. And at his age, to tell you, he came to America and he still worked in America. And the little one that he worked in America was the one that gave him benefits, that gave him social security, that retired him on it. But a place where he worked for 60 years could not. Why? Because they have people that don't value education. When you have somebody that value education, they will know that those people that went to school, that they have to bring them in and let those people that went to school teach them how to run the government, because they do not have a clue. And you don't blame them, they don't have a clue. The Nigerian government put a law that for you to be president, governor, whatever you want to be, that all you need is a high school diploma. And with high school diploma, this is what we are getting. So my lovely people, I saw that, I said, let me come here and put my 6 cents in it. That's what we have in Nigeria. High school diplomas trying to lead graduates, PhDs, or all of them going to school, selling everything that they have to go to school, and then they come out. The people that are trying to run them, tell them what and what to do, is people that didn't even finish high school. My dear people, let me not continue to run. May God bless you guys. May God help also. May God help us, because we cannot continue like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.